Hey guys, Anthony here with an updated video comparing Amazon's Prime membership in the US and Canada. In this video, I'm going to cover some of the key Prime member benefits. One of the main benefits of Prime membership is free shipping, specifically 2-day free shipping, which is available both in US and Canada. Free same-day delivery is also available in select zip code and postal code areas, as well as free 2-hour delivery with Prime Now on daily essentials and groceries, but this is only available in the US. Prime membership also comes with Prime Photos, which provides free unlimited storage for your photos on Amazon's safe and secure cloud drive. Prime Photos is available both in US and Canada, and you get a free app to organize, backup, and share your photos using your phone. Prime membership includes free access to Amazon Video, a video-on-demand service which gives you access to thousands of TV shows and movies for rental and purchase. It is now available under the US membership as well as the Canadian membership. However, the video content is not the same. You also get a free app that allows you to download and watch videos offline. Prime Music is another benefit of Prime membership. You can listen to music from a library of over 2 million songs, ad-free music, and on demand. Prime Music is available with the US membership and now also comes with the Canadian membership. Yet another benefit of Amazon Prime is Prime Reading, which gives you unlimited access to over 1,000 books, magazines, Kindle Singles, and much more. Prime Reading is available for US Prime members, and it also includes Prime Listening, giving you access to unlimited listening to original audio series from Audible, and the list of Amazon Prime benefits goes on. Twitch Prime is a live streaming video platform and community. You get free game content every month, exclusive discounts, and much more. Twitch Prime is available both for US and Canadian Prime members. As an Amazon Prime member, you also get early access to lightning deals. This gives members access to these lightning deals 30 minutes before regular customers. So what I've covered in this video were some of the key benefits of Amazon Prime membership, and this chart gives you a summary of benefits for US and Canadian members. Bear in mind that the US Prime membership includes far more benefits compared to the Canadian one. Some additional benefits include Amazon Dash Button, Prime Whole Foods, Prime Pantry, and many others. The annual cost of Amazon Prime membership is $119 for the US membership and $79 Canadian for the Canadian membership. The US membership is also available as a monthly subscription for $12.99, and if you only wish to get Amazon Prime Video membership, you can get it for $8.99 a month. You can test drive Amazon's Prime membership free for 30 days. Amazon Prime also makes a great gift, so you can gift it to your friends and family. And if you are a student, you get a special discount and a 6-month free trial membership. To start a free trial of Amazon Prime, check the links in the description section. And finally, just a quick note, if you do get the trial membership and don't wish to continue after the trial period, remember to cancel your subscription. If not, you will be charged for it. Well, hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.